Hey, are you not tired of applying for jobs only to receive negative emails? Listen, it's so dangerous when your entire life depends on somebody to give you a job. Do you know how many talents people are out there sitting at home doing nothing? And maybe you are even one of them. No, this is not because you lack knowledge. This is not because you are lazy. This is not because you are stupid. This is not because you don't have degrees or documents or being skilled enough. But you are just waiting for for a company to call you, waiting for that interview again to happen, waiting for somebody to open a job so you can apply again, waiting for somebody to believe in you, just waiting. How many times, for how many years will you keep applying? Will you keep pushing overnight? And the problem is that some people call you lazy. Some people think you're not trying enough. Some people think you are not doing something in order to get a job, but you are doing everything you can to get a job, but nothing seems to work. No, I think it's time to give up. But before you give up, I want you to do something. Before you give up, I want you to be mad. Before you give up, I want you to be upset. Before you give up, I want you to think about those overnights, sleepless nights that you always spend, working. You always spend applying for jobs. You always spend, thinking, preparing that interview, learning their core values, understanding their mission and vision. But at the end of the day, you have no that job. You don't get that job. So once you think about all of that, you as a lady, I want you also to think about this in this perspective. All those CEOs who have been requesting to sleep with you in order to close that deal, in order to have that job, think about it. I want you to think and then become so mad, become so frustrated, become so upset about that. And now after that, sit down, quiet, in your room where there is no noise, and think about something. Look in your community, look at your neighborhood, look around your city, look around your country, and ask yourself one question. Which problem do people have that you can be able to solve? Once you find the problem which matches your skill, which matches your education, which matches whatever you have in your brain, now it's time to do a little research. Search about the problem, understand the problem. Understand which is the simplest way to solve this, to bring the solution to this problem. Once you understand, no, don't start a business. Don't think about opening an office, renting an office, registering a business, finding money and stuff. No, start small. This is where a lot of people, young entrepreneurs, fail. Because once you have an idea, you think of a company, you think of being a CEO, you think of registering a business, you think of opening an office, yet you didn't test the market yet. You didn't test the product. You didn't test your services yet, if it's going to be bought out there. You have a problem, good thing. Now it's time to sit down and plan everything, strategize everything. Once you have everything you have the strategy. Now it's time to go out there, pitch, talk to people that you can be able to solve this and that issue. No, you don't need somebody to tell you that this is a good idea. No, what you need for now at the beginning is one paying customer, one paying person who will pay for that solution that you are bringing. Not a friend who will tell you this is a good idea, but one stranger who will pay for that service. Once one person pays, that's a validation already. That shows that actually you are bringing something. You're bringing a value, right? So now, once you have it, keep looking for clients. You go to one client, look for another one, look for another one, look for another one, and grow slowly by slowly, improve slowly by slowly. That's it. There is no jobs out there. You cannot keep applying for jobs for years. Your life cannot be depending on other people to have a last say about it. No, start something. All these jobs, all these interviews, all these companies that you're applying for, every company, most of them started this way. Small. You don't need money. No, listen. Not all projects, not all businesses requires an income. Not all business requires a capital, You can start a business without any damn coin. You can start a business without having anything with you. It's all about the idea. You have the idea, you have your computer, you have your phone, you have your skill. That's enough to start a business. You can do content, you can talk, right? You can write, right? You can do whatever skill that you have, please trust me, you can turn this into an income, you can turn this into money and start making your own money. Financial freedom is not all about being hired somewhere. Sometimes it's about the problem that you are solving. Sometimes it's about the solution that you are bringing to the community, to people. If you have a sellable idea, if you have a sellable product, a sellable service, then you are good enough to start something and stop overnight applying. Instead of spending hours applying, spend hours thinking about that business, spend hours thinking about that idea. You cannot apply for years and have nothing. You have to get mad, you have to get upset and sit down, think about yourself and what to start.